How to use iPhone back tap feature. The back tap feature on iPhone lets you double tap or triple tap the back of your phone to quickly perform actions like opening apps, taking screenshots, or enabling accessibility features. So, first of all you have to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device, and also know that back tap is available on iPhone 8 and newer and iOS 14 and above. Now, inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available in there. Once inside the accessibility, scroll and tap on the touch. Then, once you tap on the touch, all you have to do is scroll down and select back tap option available in there. Once you tap on the back tab, you'll get to see double tap or triple tap. Select one according to your preferences. So I tapped on double tap. Now let me just tap on the screenshot option available there so that I can show you the live demo. So once I choose the screenshot, let me just go back and let me double tap now, and you will get to see screenshot happens. So now all you have to do is choose one according to your preferences and it will be done. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.